Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back on Math Lovers TV. I highly welcome in this experiment. I need you to have a paper, pair of compasses, ruler, and scissors so that we are going to prove an important concept of mathematics. Step number 1. We are going to cut and draw right-angled triangle on manual paper and cut them. As for me, I have tried to cut them like this. Now, these are 4 equal right-angled triangles. After cutting them, I have to give you some introductions. Edge is standing for adjacent side. O stands for opposite side, and H stands for hypotenuse. Now, step number 2. We are going to arrange the triangles in this mode and pattern. I have arranged them like this, and I come out with this figure which contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 figures. We have formed 4 equal triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. And we have also formed one big square in the center. There is one big square here in the center, surrounded by 4 equal triangles. My dear friends, are you getting me? Now, the next step is to calculate the area of whole picture. As you see, this is the whole picture containing 5 pictures. We are going to calculate this area, the area of the whole picture. This area here, the area of whole picture is going to be calculated. We calculate it as follows. Remember that this side from here to here is adjacent plus opposite, and this side also equal to adjacent plus opposite. Now, area equal to side times side, which gives adjacent plus opposite times adjacent plus opposite. This is how to calculate the area of this figure. We take these measures. We take the measures of this side, we multiply by the measurements of this side. Now is how to calculate this area. My dear friends, step number 4. We are going to calculate the area of 4 triangles. Let me try to shade the parts. Now, we are going to calculate the area of this triangle and the area of this triangle, area of this triangle, and area of this triangle. My dear friends, this area is going to be calculated starting from an area of only one triangle like this. Area of a triangle equal to 1/2 times base times height. Now, as you see, from these triangles here, a base is behaving like adjacent, while a height is behaving like opposite. That's why we get area of triangle is 1/2 times adjacent times opposite sides. Now, area of 4 triangles is given by area of only one triangle times 4. Now, if I simplify, I left with that area of four triangles is given by two adjacent opposite. The area is to be given by two adjacent opposite. Now, it's a time to calculate the area of big square in the center. This big square in the center, let me highlight like this. This big square in the center, this area is going to be calculated. We can calculate this area like this. Remember that area of a square is calculated by side times side. Now, from this picture, side is behaving like hypotenuse. Now, area of the square is given by hypotenuse times hypotenuse. Area of the square is hypotenuse squared. Are we together? Now, let us have some summary. My dear friends, there is something that I want you to remember. I want you to remember this. Area of the whole shape is adjacent plus opposite times adjacent plus opposite, which gives adjacent squared plus 2 adjacent opposite plus b squared. Now, area of four triangles is this. Area of big square is this. Now, we can jump to the next step. We are going to equate to make something equal. We are going to equate area of the whole with the sum of area of the smaller shapes. Now get this is the area of the whole. We equate it to area of 4 triangles plus area of only one big square. Now, if I take away this expression from both sides and I simplify, I left with a squared plus o squared equal to h squared. In conclusion, so it is proved that Pythagoras' theorem is real. Pythagoras' theorem says that hypotenuse squared equal to adjacent squared plus opposite squared. Thank you. See you in the next videos. If you are satisfied with our videos, please remember to subscribe, share, and leave a comment.